Did that come funny? So I was making a funny face.
The what?
Did that come funny? Because I was making a funny face.
No. By the time I got it, it was perfect. I'll show it to you. I'm taking this for Steve and I'll show it to him later.
Oh, the people that own this place is Smuckers.
Schmucks.
Well, like I think I always say when I see something like that, I always think it's jam.
Can you tell we are tourists?
I doubt that there's anybody in here that's not actually. We could get pumpkin pie for dessert. I bet their pumpkin pie
I
is
bet it's good. We can do that.
it's probably sold out.